In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers on QuickBooks Online. Account numbers give your book structure and make reporting, searching, and communicating with your accountant much easier. If you've ever struggled to keep similar accounts straight, or you want your reports to follow a clean, consistent order, turning on account numbers is a simple and powerful fix. You'll need the proper permissions in QuickBooks Online to change company settings, so make sure you're signed in with access to do so. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to company-wide preferences. From there, select Accounts and Settings. This area controls how your books behave behind the scenes, so any changes here apply across your company file. On the left panel, choose the Advanced tab. This section contains key accounting preferences that affect how your data is organized. Look for the Chart of Accounts area and open it to edit its settings. You'll see the option to enable account numbers. Turn on Enable Account Numbers to activate numbering for your accounts. Right below that, check Show Account Numbers so those numbers appear on your chart of accounts and on reports. This makes the numbers visible to you and your team, helping everyone reference the same identifiers consistently. Once both options are on, click Save, then Done to confirm your changes. That's all it takes to switch on account numbering. With that enabled, head to your chart of accounts and you'll be able to assign numbers to your existing accounts and use numbers for any new accounts you create going forward. This is a great time to agree on a numbering pattern that fits your business. Many companies group numbers by type, for example, assets in one range, liabilities in another, and income and expenses in their own ranges, so related accounts naturally sort together. Keep the format consistent, leave gaps between major categories for future growth, and avoid duplicate numbers to prevent confusion. If you already have a numbering scheme from a prior system or from your accountant, you can mirror it here so your reports line up with external documents and expectations. After you've added numbers, run a few reports to see how the accounts sort and display. If something looks out of place, simply adjust the number to reposition it. The beauty of enabling account numbers is the clarity it brings to everyday bookkeeping and month-end reviews, and that's all. You've successfully enabled account numbers in QuickBooks Online and set yourself up for cleaner, more organized financials.